Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how you can quickly add bullet points to documents in Google Docs. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in Google Docs. I've already opened a Google Doc that shows a list of my favorite foods. Adding bullet points to this list is quick to do, but it can be tricky if you've not done it before. The first step in adding bullet points is to select the text you want to add the bullet points to. I can do this by moving my mouse to the right of the list I want to select in the document. I'll then click and hold my left mouse button, and you'll see I can slowly drag my mouse over the list of my favorite foods until it's completely selected. And if I now release my left mouse button, the word stays selected. Next, I want to format this text and add my bullet points. To do that, while still keeping the text selected, I'll move to the text navigation bar shown at the top of Google Docs. You'll see there are a number of options shown here, but the one we're interested in is Format. I'll click on this once to choose it. A number of options are then shown, and because I'm interested in adding bullet points to this list, I'll move my mouse pointer down to the Bullets and Numbering option. A number of further options are shown, and of course the one we'll move to is the Bulleted List menu. Moving my mouse over that, we're then presented with 6 alternative bullet styles. You should choose the one that you prefer most, but I'll choose the arrow bullets by clicking on it once. You'll see only the first bullet type is shown in the list. You can display the other bullet options just by moving your mouse pointer to the left of any of your bulleted items. And if you press the Tab key, that will indent the list and display the alternative bullets. You can of course continue to tab in for the other items in the list to display the full range of bullet point styles available. If you want to quickly add a bullet point, do this using the short menu options just shown in exactly the same way as I've demonstrated previously. But once done, to quickly add bullet points to that text, hold down the key combination shown on screen. As I'm on an Apple Mac, I'll press the Command and Shift key together, along with the number 8. If you're on a Windows PC, you should use the key combination Control and Shift, along with the number 8. Once bullets have been added, you can then quickly change the bullet style by moving your mouse pointer to the toolbar at the top of Google Docs. Near the end of the toolbar, you'll see a bulleted list icon, and next to that, a small downward arrow which has a number of options behind it. Click once on that to open the bullet list menu, and then you can quickly choose an alternative bullet style for your selected text. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like this video or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.